We'll be praying for leaders. We'll be praying for leaders. Even before I was born, my parents told me that they were praying for leaders. Finally, we have gotten a leader. We are now like those people who Moses were leading in the Bible. They were asking God for a leader. God gave them Moses. They thought that Moses was not the accepted one. How will you know? But until Moses started the journey out of Egypt, they now realized that Moses was the one. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the Moses of today. He has started this journey of rebuilding Nigeria. Investors are coming in. People are coming in. People are now having hope that if you invest in Nigeria, your money will come back. We thank him for being our leader. And we thank Nwanosike, the Minister of FCT, for the support he's giving to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He is our leader. We are his men. We are his soldiers at the grassroots level. We are here to tell them that all the wonderful work Nwanosike is doing in Abuja, we in Rivers State are feeling the pressure. He is representing us very well. He has proven that his governance in Rivers State for 8 years was not a fluke. It was a deliberately calculated actions and plans, and they were executed by him. Today, the results of what Rivers State looks like is seen by everybody in the world. Nwanosike has taken that drive to Abuja. He has shown us that he's a true Rivers man. The very first time a Southerner was given that position, he has proven the South people right.
Let's confirm something. You said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has provided this. Are you saying everything we are seeing, the bags of rice behind us, came from the president?
Yes, the president and Nwanosike gave it to us, and we're happy for them. They've given us a lot. Behind here, we have two cows per ward. You can take a camera to go and see the cows. Each one will go home here with 2 cows. We have financial empowerment that he also gave to us to encourage business, young business starters, so that they can be able to create jobs for themselves. Jobs are not only created in white collar or at offices. Little businesses here and there will also grow the economy. And those policies are what is going to be displayed here today.
Okay. 2024, you said it's been a wonderful year, but some people who are outside, who've been watching the news, would say Rivers State was a boiling pot of political crisis left, right, and center. Going into 2025, what are you looking forward to?
We just believe that in Rivers State, we are undergoing a transformation. We are going through a political baptism. You know, as you walk in life, you gather experiences, some good, some bad. But in all, you must learn from all the experiences that have come your way, whether good or bad, so that you can grow. Now, what is happening in Rivers State to us is an eye-opener that democracy can work. A man cannot say, after getting our votes, and he was sworn in as governor of Rivers State, that he alone will become the executive, become the judiciary, and become the legislative. That is not democracy. He can't come out and say he is the one that asked the assembly members to exist. That because he said they don't exist anymore, that Rivers people should go to hell, and that the assembly members should go to blazes. That is not democracy. So we are saying that all the disagreements that have happened in Rivers State is a test of the importance of democracy as we practice them. Nigerians are practicing constitutional democracies. Our laws are spelled out. They are not ambiguous. They are spelled out in black and white. And we will wait for those who have the mandate to interpret those laws. Let them interpret it to the last level, and Rivers State will find peace. And we will get a true leader that will be able to govern Rivers State with the rule of law. If the governor has respect for Rivers people, he will not say he is the one that allowed assembly to say. It means that the governor sees only himself as Rivers man, and every other person does not exist. But we will remind the governor.
It seems like the disagreement will continue in 2025.
No, we are saying as long as he is not ready to govern us with the rule of law, we who gave mandate to our assembly members, we are watching them, and we know that our assembly members are true Democrats. They will implement the laws of Rivers State and the laws of Nigeria with the support of security agents.